Hello, Andy. Hello. How are you, Andy?
Um, fine.
You're
Thank you.
fine. Thank you. It's really nice to see you again today. I'm happy to see you.
Happy to see you.
Too. You can say, I'm happy to see you too.
I'm happy to see you too.
Oh, that's very good. So let's start your lesson right here tonight. So are you ready? Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes. Yes, you are. Okay, so today's lesson, we're going to talk about Monty the artist. Okay, language and focus right here. Okay, now, before that, maybe we're going to listen to the song first. Why?
Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Let's clean up again.
Get to dance, go!
Let's clean up. Let's clean up.
Get to dance!
Whose is this pen?
It's my pencil. It's my pen. It's my pencil case.
Let's clean up
Get up
again.
again!
Let's clean up.
Let's
Let's clean up. Let's clean up again. Let's clean up.
clean up.
Let's clean up.
Get up.
Whose is this pen?
It's your eraser. It's your pen.
It's your pen.
It's your school bag.
Let's clean up
Get up
again.
Oh, it's done. No more music. Okay, so how about this one right here? So look at the picture right here, honey. Can you just tell me, do you know what are this? Do you know what are this? Okay, let's practice this one. Yes, what about the first one? We have pencil case.
Pencil,
Yes, very good. Okay, can you say pencil case?
pencil case.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so it's a pencil case, right? Okay, now you say it's my pencil case.
It's my pencil case.
Okay, very good. So how about this one here? Look, what is it?
It's a pencil.
Very good.
Wow, you
Okay,
got
now
it.
you say it's my pencil.
It's my pencil.
Very good, honey. That's right.
Wow,
And
you
I
got
can
it.
see another one right here. How to read this one?
Pen.
Pen. Yes. So can you say again? Pen.
Pen.
Yes, that's very good. Now you say it's my pen.
It's my pen.
Yes. And what color is the pen? Its color.
It's color brown.
Yes, very good. You're right. Oh,
Wow,
yes,
you got it.
it's color brown.
It's color brown.
Okay, very good. How about another one here? Okay, how about this one? What is it? It's eraser. Can you say? Okay, very good. One more time, eraser.
Eraser.
Okay, now you say it's my eraser.
It's my eraser.
Very good, honey. That's
Wow,
right.
you got it.
Oh, how about here? What about this one? School bag.
Go back.
Yeah, okay. Now you say it's my school bag.
It's my school bag.
Okay, that's very good, Andy. Thank you.
Great.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Now you say again one more time. You say pencil case, pencil case.
Pencil case. Pencil case.
Very good. Next. Pencil, pencil.
Pencil. Pencil.
Very good. Another one.
Pen. Pen.
Yeah. Next. Eraser, eraser.
Eraser. Eraser.
Yeah. Another one.
School bag. School bag.
Yes.
Great.
That's very good. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so how about this? Okay, now we're going to use the word your. Okay, okay. Now you can say pen, pen.
Pen. Pen.
It's your pen.
It's your pen.
Yeah.
Wow, you got it.
Okay, say again one more time. Pen, pen. It's
Your pen.
yes. Okay. Now let's have another one. Okay, go. Hmm.
Pencil. Pencil. It's your pencil.
Wow.
Great.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, yeah. Okay, very good, honey. Okay, another one. Okay, go.
Pencil case.
Yeah, yeah. One more time. Do it, do it, do it. Pencil case, pencil case.
Pencil case. Pencil case. It's your pencil case.
Wow. Very good.
Great.
And what color is the pencil case?
It's color pink.
It's color pink. That's right. Very good. Okay, how about another one here? Okay, look. Go.
School bag. School bag. It's your school bag.
Yes.
Wow, you got it.
What color is a school bag? It's
It's
color.
blue.
Yes, you're right.
Wow, you got it.
And what is your favorite color? Oh, 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 oh. Achoo. Okay, again. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. You can say, "Excuse me, teacher." Okay, or you can say, "Excuse me, teacher." Okay, so how about this one? Can you tell me what is your favorite color? Do you like color blue?
This
Ah.
color is yellow.
Oh, you like the yellow color. Ta-dang, it's yellow. My background is also yellow, right? And also, you can see a duck right here. It's color yellow. Quack, 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 quack. A yellow duck. Okay. Now, how about this one? Eraser.
Eraser. Eraser. It's your eraser.
Very good.
Wow,
It's
you
your
got it.
eraser. Okay, so honey, this time you're going to find circle and then you're going to match. Okay? Find the name right here. Look at that. How about can you start with number 1? What is the number 1? Number 1 is, oh, use your pen. Okay. Okay, first, teacher Belly, okay? Okay, number 1 is pencil. Pencil? Pencil case? Here. Pencil case is over here. Right? Ta-da! Pencil case. Yeah. Ah! Okay, next. Another one. 2.
Eraser.
2 is yes, you're right.
Wow, you got it.
Okay. Yes, very good. That's right. Eraser. How about 3?
Pencil.
3 is ah.
Hmm? Um,
Oh, very good. Oh no, go. Come on. It's all right. Yes. Yes.
Wow, you got it.
It's caught it. How about number 4? What is the number 4?
it's school bag.
Yes, it's callback. Where is it? Oh, yes, you are right again.
Wow, you got it.
You've got it. Yeah, it's all right. You've got it again.
Wow, you got it.
Yeah. Okay, number 5. What is the number 5?
Ah.
It's
Oh,
uh,
oh,
oh, oh, oh, oh, oh. 10. Yes, you are right again.
Wow, you got
You
it.
got it. Oh my goodness. But you are right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, very good. Congratulations on that. It's
it's
my,
my pencil.
it's your pencil. Okay. Next. You can say again, it's my pencil.
It's my
Or you can say,
pencil.
it's my pencil.
It's my pencil.
Okay, next another one. It's your pencil.
Pencil.
Yeah, very good. Okay, what about this one?
It's my eraser.
Okay, very good.
It's your eraser.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Okay, one more time you can say it's my eraser. It's my eraser. It's your eraser. Again,
It's my
you say it's my. You say it this way.
It's my eraser. It's your eraser.
Very good, honey. That's right.
Wow, you got it.
Okay. And okay, so I think yeah, that's it for your lesson again tonight, honey. Okay, Andy, I'll see you again next time. Okay. Right. Yeah. Thank you, my dear. I'll see you on the next weekend. Okay. Goodbye, Andy. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, you're welcome.